Today, we're gonna be talking about the goodness of sexual chocolate, the sexual chocolate smoothie. You need a pre-workout smoothie when you're about to get it in. Something that'll give you that energy, something that'll give you that stamina, something that'll give you that good wood. Then you have to try the all-natural Goodwood Smoothie, sexual chocolate smoothie, brought to you by Randy Watson and the Sexual Chocolate Band. Why don't you boys take it away? Okay, that was thank you. All right, seriously, fellas, today we're going to be talking about the Goodwood Sexual Chocolate Smoothie. This is going to help you get up, and stay right. And what I'm going to do is break down what the ingredients are, how to make it, and also how to taste it. Oh, well, I don't know how it tastes. You can get the ingredients below and you can taste it yourself. And hey, my name is Brian, aka Uncle B, and I'm the men's performance coach with Goodwood University. And if you like what you hear, go ahead and hit that like button, that subscribe button, that notification bell. And if you have any questions about sexual health, things like that, hit us up in the comment section. Because what I'm gonna do is break this down till it cannot be broken anymore. Sexual chocolate! So this smoothie is all about energy, because if you're trying to have sex, you're actually using energy to create more energy, called a baby. If you're not trying to make a baby, you can still use the energy, just condom. For this particular smoothie, we're going to be using a bunch of different ingredients, including, what's that right there? Basil, cacao, avocado, raspberries, lemon, without the skin, watermelon, bananas. Oh yeah. And we're also going to throw in some Goodwood Advanced. Let me explain why. And just to make sure we do it right, we have unrefined honey. Yeah, this is going to kick it up a notch. These ingredients have a wide range of health benefits, including boosting of testosterone, improving circulation, improving your inflammation, lowering your inflammation, a whole bunch of antioxidants, and a whole bunch more. So let's get to it. What we're going to do is go ahead and use our handy dandy blender and go for it with all of our ingredients, starting with the raspberries. Raspberries are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. They are good for improving your sexual performance and your libido. Just get that drive up. And of course, when it comes to the lemon, it's just going to add an extra spice to our smoothie here, but it's good for your blood vessels, and that's good for the circulation, and you need that down there. And with watermelon, of course, nature's Viagra, we're talking about that L-citrulline that's just going to help with the nitric oxide boost, meaning more blood flow. It's just going to make you feel good. And with this fresh basil, let me tell you what that's going to do. This is also going to help you with that performance and with that libido, along with a bunch of antioxidants. Now the honey, when we're talking about the honey, that's going to give you those carbohydrates. That's going to give you that boost of energy that you need, along with a whole bunch of different trace minerals. It also has an aphrodisiac effect, so you're going to get that sexual desire pumped up, along with the libido. Now, when it comes to the avocados, these healthy fats in the avocados are going to help you with your hormone balance. It's also going to help you with that energy and stamina. And if you have some premature ejaculation issues, stamina, yeah, avocados. Now bananas, of course, they got the carbohydrates. It's going to give you some energy, but did you know it's also going to help out with your sperm, your mobility of the sperm. If you're trying to have them kids, yeah, you need that. And of course, let's go ahead and talk about the Goodwood Advanced all up in this smoothie. And the reason for that is because it's going to help you not lose testosterone. And you know, we always need to eat food that's going to turn into testosterone, especially cholesterol. But when it comes to keeping that, especially as we get older, what you have in Goodwood Advanced is an herb that's just going to help you stop your testosterone from changing into estrogen. And it's also going to stop your testosterone from connecting with other hormones that it doesn't need to connect with. That way you have more free testosterone to have, like, you know, erections and things like that. And of course, the star of the show is cacao. Cacao. Yeah, we're talking about basically chocolate in a powdered form, unsweetened. That's an important part. It helps with blood flow and cardiovascular health. In fact, they did a study where they found if you're drinking cacao daily, over a period of 30 days, you will actually improve your stem cell productions. Well, that works with everything in your body. It's not a bad thing at all. And it does have some caffeine in there, so you have a little stimulation going on there, get you boosted up. And at the same time, it helps with stress reduction and relaxation. Now, you'll say, hold up, you said energy, now you're saying relaxation. Well, this is perfect for when you're having sex, because when you're having sex, the whole process of having sex is stimulation and relaxation at the same time. These things need to be in balance. Cacao's gonna put it there. It always comes down to this, the taste test. What Beyonce say? We getting up tonight? Yes, you are getting up tonight. Yes. Sexy chocolate, everybody. Sexy chocolate. Because the great taste. Love of all inside of me. Yeah. So that is how we make a Goodwood sexual chocolate smoothie. Of course, check below for the ingredients. Hey, and let me know in the comment section, what would you add to it? What would give it that extra bang, bang, bang that we need in the sexual chocolate? I don't like the way that sounded. All right, let's say that again. Let me know in the comment section what else you would add to this just to make it even better. And oh, by the way, if you want to try Goodwood Advanced, go to givegoodwood.com. You can use the coupon code GW15 to take 15% off. Try it, get the ingredients, make your own sexual chocolate smoothie. And this is Uncle B saying, get your game up and get your sexual chocolate on. Peace out.